Hello everyone, here is Vivapay. Is another payment app that is actually offering free 1,000 Naira for anyone that registers in this app. So what you have to do to get this free 1,000 Naira that is being distributed is to complete the simple verification in the app after registration. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to register and how to complete the verification so that you can receive your 1,000 Naira, okay? And then after receiving your 1,000 Naira, you can cash out immediately or withdraw to your bank account. So if this 1,000 Naira is not too small, you can as well make use of, try out this app, okay? Not only that, there is actually an advantage of using this app, which is that you can make instant payments and pay for NEPA bills and a lot more by just using this app alone, okay? You can do a lot of payments that has to do with this app. Not only is not just claiming the app, not just registering the app should, or trying to get 1,000 Naira should make you want to use this app and then delete it afterwards. What I'm actually saying is that you can register, get your 1,000 Naira and still be making use of the app in terms of payment, like paying for electricity bills, and other transfers, other bank transfers, and other payments right here in the app. So if you're new to this channel, ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so that whenever I'm dropping more videos regarding this company, this Vivapay payments company, you will always be notified on time. I will always drop the links right at the video descriptions. Go ahead and watch, always check the video descriptions and watch the recommended videos right there to get more insights about trending things that has to do with this project, okay? So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to come here and click on this registration button right here. So as soon as you click on that registration button, if you have registered before, go ahead and log in. But if you haven't registered before, use the link at my video description. Use the link at my video description and click on this register now. So as soon as you click on this register now, you are going to start the registration process, okay? So go ahead and insert your email. You can go ahead and register register with your email, or you can register as a Nigerian with a phone number. All right, so since I'm a Nigerian, I just want to register with just my phone number. So I'll just click on register with the phone number and insert my phone number right here, and afterwards I'm going to insert my email, okay? So I'll just insert my email right there. Then it will take you to this next page, and then a code will be sent, an OTP code will be sent, which is a one-time verification code will be sent to your number or your email if you actually use an email to register. Go ahead to your email and copy the OTP code that was sent to you. Then come back and paste it right here. After pasting it right here, you click on verify, okay? You click on verify, and then you can now go ahead and fill in all these informations you see right here. You fill in all these informations, okay? Then after filling in all this information, as soon as you are done filling in all this information, you go ahead and click on register. All right, you may ensure that your serial code, your phone number is well inserted, and then your address is the same address of where you are living, okay? Because you might need the information to, let's say, submit your NEPA bill address with time. So you have to ensure that your NEPA bill is the same. Is the NEPA bill the address that you are inserting right here in this app is the same address that is in your NEPA bill. I hope that is clear enough. Now you can come here and insert your zip code. If you don't know your zip code, you have to go on Play Store and type zip code of your area, of your house or your location. It's going to come out on Google. So just type it, copy it, and come and paste it. Then you insert your country, your state, and your referral code. You have to use my referral code for bonuses. I'll be dropping I'll be dropping the referral code right at the video description. Go and copy it and paste it right here. And after pasting it right here, you'll be given some bonuses. And then afterwards, you highlight these two things and click on register now. Okay, as soon as you click on register now, you are going to be registered immediately. I hope that is clear enough. So as soon as you are done filling in all those information, a message is going to pop out on your screen telling you congratulations for registering, that you should complete your verification to claim your 1,000 Naira. So afterwards, it's going to load up this pop out to tell you successful. Then you go ahead and click on OK. And then here, after clicking on your OK, it's going to load up this. And then the message is going to pop out to say, welcome to Vivapay. Okay. And now you are asked to complete the verification so that you can receive your free 1,000 Naira. So what we have to do to complete our verification to receive the money is to come to screw this to the right, click on that verify account. All right, you click on that verify account that just showed up right here. You can see verify account here. You click on it. As soon as you click on this submit verification request, you click on it. Then you take a video of yourself. All right, go ahead and take a video of yourself, and then a selfie of your image of your face, and then a BVN. You submit your BVN, which is the bank verification number right here. Okay, as soon as you submit these bank verification details, all of these details right here, you are going to claim your free 1,000 Naira. Okay, you can claim your free 1,000 Naira, and then you can transfer it to your bank account and use it to buy whatever you want to buy. Okay, I hope all of this stuff is very, very helpful. If this video was very, very helpful to you, kindly ensure you react and share to your loved ones to partake in this free 1,000 Naira giveaway. And mind you, this app contains a whole lot of information. You can actually transfer between wallets in this app. You can actually transfer between wallets in this app. You can do transfer to other Vivapay users. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to conduct various transfers to other Vivapay users and how to use this app to pay for NEPA bills and buy other datas and these 4 features right here. I'll be explaining all of this in the next video. So kindly ensure that you stay subscribed and turn on your notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you'll be notified right on time at this video. So if you have any question, leave them at the comment section and do your best to stay tuned. See you in the next video.